today we're back in the house and we've got the little crawler with us. We've got the Proline Ambush 25th scale. So with this crawler today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to measure the flex of your crawler. So on a rock crawler, flex is how much you can have one wheel up and your other wheels be completely flat on the ground. So currently this crawler is not fully flexed out. It's obviously got a lot more ways to go. So how I like to do this is first we're going to take your crawler out and find a bigger object. If that's too small, we grab something a little bigger. This is probably too big. And if your crawler is this small, it's okay to push things down, because your crawler is probably not perfect. So this is a little big for it. Is the back fully compressed? Yes, it is. So that right there is the full flex out for this crawler as of currently. It's gonna have better suspension on that soon, so I'm not too worried about that. Once we're done building it, it's gonna be a lot better. You can see it's got its suspension on the right side fully loaded out. So now, the next step is to grab a ruler and measure this height right here so that we know that. So we've got our tape measure here. So now what we're gonna wanna do is to come here to side to see how much travel that is. And we're going to be measuring to the top. So if you can see that, that's approximately, this travel has 1.5 inches of travel for this crawler, which means that the flex of this crawler is 1.5 inches. That is how you measure the flex of a rock crawler. It's going to be the same across all rock crawlers. This is currently the only crawler I have, so that's why I only did it on this one. I will be doing other crawler videos later on once I can secure a 10 scale. So we'll just pose that for you guys real quick. So that is how you measure your flex of your crawler.